This Kinetic recovery rope kit from Alltop delivers very high brake strength and working load capacity, making it a dependable choice for serious off-road recoveries. The double braided nylon construction with substantial elasticity lets the rope stretch and snap back smoothly, reducing shock loads on both vehicles compared with rigid tow straps. Its bright orange color and generous 20-foot length make it easy to see in poor conditions while giving enough distance for safe, controlled pulls. Reinforced eye loops and thick protective sleeves help the rope resist abrasion in real-world use, and they make it easier to spot wear before it becomes a problem. The included ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene soft shackles are light, strong, and safer around people and bodywork than traditional metal hardware. Everything packs into a weather-resistant carry bag, so the kit stays organized and ready whether you are overlanding, rock crawling, or just helping a stranded driver.